Education is the way to move mountains, to build bridges, to change the world. Oprah Winfrey. The search for the Monster Scholar is back. If you or anyone you know is in need of financial aid for the upcoming semester, email your application to scholar@rx931.com. Scholar@rx931.com. Tell us why we should choose you or your loved one to be the next Monster Scholar.
Kahit feeling mo physically napapagod ka na, you're burnt out sa thesis man yan or sa OJT or whatever ACADS, lagi mo sasabihin sa sarili mo na kaya mo pa yan, laban lang. Tsaka pangarap mo yan eh. Huwag nating susukuan yung pangarap natin.
Nahihirapan naman kayo sa sitwasyon nyo bilang estudyante ng mga maraming pagsubok. Kailangan tatagan nyo lang yung loob nyo. I-push nyo lang po yung sarili nyo kasi pag natulungan nyo yung sarili nyo, matutulungan nyo na rin yung pamilya nyo.
The search for the Monster Scholar Batch 22. Open to all college students for the first semester of school year 2024 to 2025. From the station that believes in the power of education. Manila's hottest, Monster, RX 93.1. The Radio 1 School Gimmick Board. What's new on campus? Events, concerts, parties.
Radio 1 School Gimmick Board.
Prepare for the excitement of DLSU's University Vision Mission Week 2024. Sandiwa, adhikaing likha para sa kapwa. From June 5 to June 22, join us at Taft Avenue on our Manila campus as we celebrate the university's 113th founding anniversary. Watch live performances of Animusica 2024, Battle of the Bands, and La Stallion Showtime, and experience various activities and booths while keeping the anima spirit burning. Secure your tickets and avail of the merchandise by visiting the DLSU University Vision Mission Week 2024 social media pages at DLSU Univ Week on IG and Facebook. See you there. The Radio 1 School Gimmick Board. This is student Jock Panch of Miriam College. Catch the Radio 1 show every Saturday afternoon, only on Manila's hottest, Monster, RX 93.1.
The Radio 1 School Gimmick
The Radio 1 School Gimmick Board. Featuring Manila's hottest student jocks taking over the Monster. Your crash course in cool school affairs. Radio 1. Hosted by your favorite student DJs from some of the country's finest colleges and universities. Every Saturday. Only from Manila's hottest, Monster, RX 93.1.